as young as I used to be. I can't stay up all night. Hi, Ma. Good morning, dear.
You're just getting in now?
I don't know. Am I in? Who can tell?
What would you like? Juice? Coffee?
Oh, a Bloody Mary would be dynamite. You know, dear, you being president is the best thing to happen to my love life.
She's seeing half the House of Representatives. It's an outrage.
It's incredible. I mean, who would have thought at my age I'd have to worry about herpes? Listen, darling, I have to get some rest. I have a big soiree tonight with the French ambassador. Oh, is there anything you want France to do, darling?
No, Mother.
You sure now? Are they treating us nicely?
As nicely as the French are capable of treating anyone.
Okay.
Yes? My office. The Chief of Staff will be there.
If they can know, I can know.
Oliver, I'll tell you as soon as it's been cleared.
But I'm your husband.
Excuse me, Madam President. They're all waiting for you in your office.
Thank you, Randy.
Have a good day, dear.
Hey, buddy. What's going on?
It's top secret.
But I'm her husband. I'm her pal. I'm her friend. I'm her life mate.
Now, if only you can make love to her.
So that's it, General. Mr. Secretary, we have 64 hours.
I say push the button. What the hell, we're here.
Are you crazy? You are talking about the destruction of the world.
Not all of it, most of it. But look what most of it is. The Chinese are an aggravation, and Africa, if you'll pardon me, is a real pain in the butt.
India's a zoo.
Totally. You ever see those people hawks? The dirtiest looking bunch with the most god-awful teeth.
You are talking about God's children. You're talking about my brothers.
No, hawks, you Negro guys have great teeth. Those big white ones. I love your teeth.
Oh, they're the best, those teeth.
It's Indian teeth I'm talking about. I bet there's not one dentist in the entire country.
Dentist. They don't have food. They're starving.
What difference does it make they don't have teeth?
As long as one man starves, we all starve. As long as one man weeps, we all weep. As long as one man suffers, we all suffer. As long as one man dies, we all...
Now look at it this way. This could be the best thing to happen to this world. We'd be purifying it. Europe would probably survive, so you'd still have terrific shopping. Your tropical islands would be left with those great drinks.
It will be a public service box.
Did it ever occur to either of you maniacs that a large portion of the United States would be destroyed?
Well, let's hope it's the part that needs destroying, Hawks. Let's hope it's our prisons, our slums, our ghettos.
Let's hope it's Detroit.
Oh, maybe it'll be New York. Maybe it'll be the end of Hymietown.
Are you calling me a Jaime?
Helmet, are you a Jaime?
I am not a Jaime. How dare you call me a Jaime?
Gentlemen,
You know, my wife thought you might be a Jaime.
what is going on here?
We are in the midst of an international crisis. This is unbelievable.
He started it. He said I was a...
Mr. Lugar, if you please.
I'm sorry, Madam President. Senator.
I need you with me, gentlemen. Please. I will be talking to Premier Zolotov this afternoon, and I will probably meet with Major Brower again. As you know, this is all top secret. There can be no leaks, not even families. You will be kept informed and updated as the situation changes. We have 64 hours. That'll be all, gentlemen.
You sure got a Jaime hair.